is so early in the morning. Austin's making some pancakes right now. And Christian's just walking around. He's the one that got me up. It's a mess today. No, I didn't feel good all last night. And Austin's making pancakes. Did you spray that?
It's a non-stick. Do I have to really spray it?
Yeah, it sticks. I got it to spray. And Christian's watching Alvin and following me around. So, this is our morning. Alright, just got out of the shower. Austin's playing his game right now. He's about to do my hair. But you're about to see it totally different. And I have no eyebrows. Oh, the other day, remember I was doing something and I was cleaning the whole day and I had something on my eyebrow. I thought you couldn't see it, but I was looking back on my vlog and you seen where it was colored. Maybe that's a good color. Maybe I need to color my eyebrows gray. Be a good idea. Oh, and we got Christian down for a nap. And then we have to go to the store. I hate going to the store. I really do, but we're gonna go to Aldi's. Get some fruits. Stuff in this house. So when I go have Bentley, it'll be fun. Alright, just got back. Not back. Just got out of Aldi's. So Austin's wanting to grab something to eat, but I am way too sick. Like, I don't think I can actually eat anything. I don't know, but I feel completely awful. I feel nauseous and tired, and it's awful. I don't understand why I'm feeling this way. And I got a few days till my delivery, and it's just, I feel like shit. Literally. And sorry if I cuss. We're all humans. It's how it is. You know. And I did not wear no makeup today. So, that's just great, too. So, right now, we're going to decide what Austin, I guess, wants to do. I don't know what to do. But if we're going to get something, I guess it's going to be McDonald's. Because I don't know. I don't know. It's crazy. I don't want anything, though. It's a bummer. It's a bummer. I'm so exhausted. And I got so much stuff to do today. I just have so much to do. So we'll see how it turns out. I need to start making Christian lunches for Austin, so when I go into labor, he can just grab it and go. And he could eat at the hospital if he wanted to. You never know. But I got a lot of stuff to do. He went to go put the buggy up, but I don't know where the heck he went. He's probably going to be nice to somebody. Hey. Were you nice to somebody? Were you nice?
No, I cut the quarter. Inside and now in front of my car. Does she want to get hit by something? I don't understand that.
Well,
She walked in front of me while I was backing out. And then she walked in front of me while I was pushing the car with Christian. Doesn't even say excuse me.
maybe she has a crush on
being
you.
rude. The next one, just run her over.
Well, she's got a crush on you.
I ain't got a crush on her.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, if I did, I'd run her ass over. That's how much I prove my love to her.
Yeah, right. got
Why
them.
don't you bring Lois? She doesn't care about baseball, and that way nobody gets their feelings hurt. Man, that's a great idea. Thanks. Is it two tennis balls? Great. Yes, 3 new tennis balls. Great. I'm gonna get them all. I'm gonna get them all.
Good Lord. So cute. But Austin's about to go to work.
You were going to Boston? I didn't even think
And
you liked baseball. Oh, I'm not
Kristen's gonna be taking a nap. So I'm gonna be getting some things done.
Throw it back to me.
days of being away from you life-sucking turds. Anyway,
Yep.
be good.
So.
And while we're gone, Brian's in charge.
It's just a chill day.
Yeah, just a chill day. I get to work. That's not chill.
Oh, come on, Mom.
It's
Really?
chill to me.
I'm in high school, and you're still putting the dog
Hey,
in charge?
don't hit the
Wait a
wall.
minute. You want me in charge.
No, yes.
He's right, you know. I'm a total Taurus.
All right,
Do it again.
I need the ball.
Get the ball.
Come on, Lois. Time to get to Fenway.
Wow, Dad, you look awesome. But I thought you were going to dress like a baseball player.
I am, Chris. I'm the type of player who arrives at the stadium in a suit. with a
Give him the
tie
ball,
and a
Christian.
Fine.
Says y'all played monkey in the middle way too long.
He's like, I keep it now. Monkey's got the ball all over.
I just want to lay a few ground rules.
You got the ball.
Fun. Like, there will be a schedule.
Get the ball. Get the ball.
All works out. By the way, flush your retaining
Look at this, Lois. The Fenway Park.
Good Lord.
I'm gonna go. You want to hand
Welcome to Red Sox Fantasy Weekend. Wow, who's this? We've never had a lady come out for this before.
Oh, no, that's my wife. She's
What's he doing?
Yeah, you're
What
nice.
is he doing?
I'm not staying.
Look, your spot's already paid for. And besides, if you leave, it's going to be lost. So as a coach, I insist you stay and play. Right,
What do you think, Pete, huh?
What do I think? Fantasy baseball team with my wife?
Yeah, come on, let her play.
Thank you. All-star win. Hey, would you mind standing next to a star of today? Sure. Will you pick him up like a
Story of my life right now.
Now let me put this baby bonnet on.
Got knocked in my hair.
Ah, you kissed me.
I like watching them play. They are way too funny. I can't wait till I can roll around like that with him.
It means it's much more expensive. Sprint is always
Those little burgers just get a lot bigger. A lot bigger. You guys, let me tell you, I am so out of breath. And all I did was swept my kitchen and mopped it. That's all I did. I was like, oh my goodness, I'm so tired. But gotta wait for him to get up so I can vacuum. Get all that done. It's just, oh gosh, I'm already sweating. I mean, it just, I'm burning up. And being pregnant is just 10 times worse. Could not believe I'm going to deliver in 4 days. It's unbelievable. Still have so much to do though. So much. I feel like I'm always vacuuming. I'm always doing laundry. I'm always sweeping. I feel like I'm doing that every single day. Might as well be. Because kids are, they're not gross. They're just really messy. Like, honestly, really messy. Like, all that trash on the floor, and when they want to eat in their high chair and they just spill everything. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Messy, messy kids. just got this place vacuumed, mopped, and everything's good right now. So, next thing I work on in the kitchen. Get dishes done. But other than that, everything's fine. Everything's just fine. The little man's just playing on his little thing. What are you doing? Are you just running everywhere? Ugh. He just stated his opinion on things, apparently. My hair is looking weird today, but it's supposed to storm. So, I think me and Christian's just going to get ready for bed and go sleep. That's what, and he's got a doctor's appointment tomorrow. Totally forgot, but damn. But you know, that's life. I was very excited to get this week over with and done with. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure to give a thumbs up and hit subscribe. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.